You're fucking... Did you hear that yesterday?
Alright.
Fuck up, you're up sick on it.
What's the bee's knees, man?
That's alright.
You my for all the fucking days I'll get you run up the road, you have to take off your shooters.
Degenerate doolies on drugs.
Make sure you get that padlock
Right, you have to put your hand through that, otherwise I fucking get nervous. Right, your thumb's on the shoot button, yeah?
That gun?
More dangerous than a gun.
Right, I see that.
Right, you there?
Is it on?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I'm on the picture. Can you
Yeah,
see
on.
me now?
I can see you.
What do you look like, alright?
Aye, aye.
You look like a dolly.
Right. Hi, here we are at Restart in Leavenmouth Business Centre. Take a look around, you can see what a wonderful time we're all having here. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. Hi. Yeah, this is our free coffee break. I mean, free. Guy's a natural with the camera. You got the, you know where the zoom is, yeah?
Aye, it needs to be zoomed out because everybody's head's on this side.
Before you start.
Oh, I see, yeah. Right.
Yeah, you got it.
Let's go. Got a message. See you later.
As you can see, viewers, the room is at the end of a long corridor. The only window in the place has bars and is padlocked. Okay, hi. Hi, Anne. Right, you're the assistant leader, yeah? On this Restart course?
I'm the Restart assistant.
Right,
yes.
okay. So what do you think about the course?
This course or
Yeah,
the courses in general?
it's the same course all the time, isn't it?
I think they're not helpful to anyone.
Uh-huh. Could you...
They're technical marvels.
Yeah, no. Could you be a wee bit clearer on that? I mean, do you think the course... What does it lack?
What does it lack? It lacks any concern or any real choices for unemployed people to take.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't offer them anything at all.
How many courses have you run?
It's about 10 or 12.
And what do you think generally the state of morale is amongst the unemployed people who come along?
I think unemployed people are resigned to their fate. They've all developed a sense of humour about their position, and they have no optimism, no hope for the future, well, not according to them, and too many of them have just gone out and solved their own problems.
Mm. So this is your last day on the job, Anne, yeah?
This is my last day, yes.
So are you glad to be leaving?
Yes and no. Glad to be leaving Midas Management, But I'll miss the restart courses because they're very entertaining. Very entertaining.
Is there any improvement that you could think that would make these courses better?
No, I don't think the courses serve any function whatsoever, and I don't think you need the courses. The improvement would come with more job vacancies, or an acceptance that there is no work, and an improvement in the benefit levels, an improvement in the attitude towards unemployed people.
Thank you very much.
You're asked.
Okay, hi, Paul. So you are, how long have you been unemployed?
8 years.
8 years, and you've been asked to come along in this course by the government.
Aye, for a fortnight.
Was there any choice in the matter?
No.
So, what are you saying? They threatened to stop your money if you didn't?
Money, aye.
Well, do you think the course has been helpful to you?
No.
Well, what do you think about the courses?
All this shite.
Right, thank you very much. Do you think any...
Why you think they're a load of shite though?
Eh?
See why?
Because there's a lot of guff what they give you, man. It's a waste of time.
do you think the attitude of the people could be better?
What do you mean?
How they treat the course, I mean.
Aye, it could be better, aye.
So is there anything you'd like to say about the course or about the way the employment services run this?
Too much things I can say about it, eh?
Well, have a go.
Okay. Just all this shite. It's a waste of time. I could be doing other things with my time. Could be making money. And get stuff for dole money up their arse for all that. Yeah. One more. That's it.
That's it, record.
Right, okay, right, okay.
Are we off now?
Yeah, we're running.
Right then, Duncan. Can you tell me, why have you been unemployed for 20 years? Was it a conscious decision?
No, it's basically there's 3 million unemployed in this country. I'm one of them, you know. I mean.
But there haven't always been 3 million unemployed, so you must have chosen at some time not to work.
Oh no, I work really hard. I work on behalf of my own self. I don't recognise that I have to go through filling forms, run about looking for non-existent jobs to keep the dole happy, otherwise they cut my benefit, you know. I live my own life, I do what I want to do, I work as hard as I can work, and you know, that's about the size of it. I mean, I don't recognise working for anybody else as any different from working for yourself.
Right, and now you've been on this restart course for 2 weeks now, and do you feel that you've benefited at all? Have you gained anything?
Yes, I have. I've gained a renewed hatred of the system that operates against the unemployed and the poor, who, for want of a better word, are doles, basically, without very much chance of getting work. And I feel that what has happened is people like junkies, they'll do anything to get smack. Some people will do anything to work, including fucking around with the unemployed. People who are unemployed themselves getting handed second-rate jobs to retard, repress and oppress genuinely unemployed people.
So
just to have a job.
What do you think the point of the restart courses is?
A slap in the puss for the unemployed.
Employment services.
It's a slap in the puss for the unemployed. If you're unemployed, they send you on this course basically to piss you off.
Do you think there's an element of paying lip service to the unemployment programme?
Not even that. It's run, in my opinion, by Nazis, fascists, and the unemployed situation is not going to improve by restart courses. Unemployment is only going to improve by allowing people to work on the side and supplement the benefits that they get legally. Otherwise, this system's making criminals out of us all.
Right. So, what do you think the answer is to the lack of jobs then?
There is no answer to the lack of jobs.
These jobs are never going to be.
There is no answer to the lack of jobs. The only answer for poor people is to unite, because there's in unity there's much more of us than there is of them.
Unite
There's 30 million
purpose?
unemployed people in Europe.
To what end?
For our own end. For our own end. If you unite with other people, you've got a chance. If you're on your own, the system can come along and grind you into the ground any time, and you've got no support. If you unite with other people on the basis of your poverty, on the basis of your unemployment, then you won't get pushed around. You've got a unity which will protect you. They can't throw united people around like they can throw one individual around.
So what needs to change then? What would you like to see happen?
I would like to see unemployed people uniting and getting their own act together and asking for the money instead of getting it to Midas to run a course. I'd like to see them asking for the money themselves to run their own centre, to do what they want, to pursue employment and health problems, mental problems, education problems, family problems, as a united, active force. The unemployed people help themselves, and the government gives the money to them to help themselves, instead of to a bunch of fascists up the road called Midas, who get 1,500 quid for running this course, put it in their pocket and drive home in their Merc. They're doing it for the money. And the worse the course is, the better they like it.
And do you feel exploited?
Me
on
personally?
this course, yes.
No way.
No. You don't think you are
I am not exploited by anybody except my wife.
Do you think other people are exploited
Certainly.
by Midas?
Certainly, everybody
Yes.
is exploited by
And do you
Midas.
think they're aware of this?
Of course, that's why they're doing it. That's why they recruit desensitised individuals to
No,
run
I
these
think-
courses.
Do you think the people on the courses are aware
Yes.
while they sit here?
Yeah, I'm sure they're aware, but they don't say.
They don't say. And so you think they would be better to stand up and say?
You're always better to stand up for yourself than to keep your mouth shut, because sooner or later it's your turn, and when you're on your own you go down. If you stand up and fight for yourself, they'll pick on somebody else before they pick on you.
So your central message is that we should all stick together.
That's my central message, correct?
Speak up
Exactly.
and stand up for ourselves.
Yes,
Be honest.
that's the one.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So did you hear that? You've got to